हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्लास 9th चैप्टर 4 लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि एक्सरसाइज 4.2 का इंट्रोडक्शन एंड एक्सरसाइज 4.2। इससे प्रीवियस वीडियो में चैप्टर का इंट्रोडक्शन प्लस एक्सरसाइज 4.1 कवर हुई है। अगर आपने वो नहीं देखी है तो पहले वो देख लीजिए, अदरवाइज़ ये समझ में नहीं आएगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। If I write a equation, linear equation in one variable x plus 1 is equals to 0, इस इक्वेशन का सोल्यूशन क्या आएगा? x is equals to -1, जिसे हम कहते हैं यूनिक सोल्यूशन। जो लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल होती है उसका एक से ज़्यादा सोल्यूशन नहीं हो सकता, सिर्फ एक ही सोल्यूशन हो सकता है। सिर्फ -1 ही इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर सकता है, इसीलिए इसे कहते हैं यूनिक सोल्यूशन। बट इस चैप्टर में हमें पढ़नी है लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, जिसमें हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। So if I say I have a equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12, अब इसका एक आंसर तो हो नहीं सकता, हमारे पास दो वेरिएबल हैं, तो हमारे पास जो इसकी वैल्यूज़ होंगी, जो सोल्यूशन होगा वो हमेशा पेयर में होगा, x, y। इफ़ आई टेक हियर x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2, let's put it here। 2 into x, 2 into 3 plus 3 into y we have taken as 2. If I solve it, 2 multiplied by 3 6 plus 3 multiplied by 2 6 is equals to 12. So these values satisfy this linear equation in two variables. Now if I say 0, 4, if I take the values x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 4 and I put these values in this equation, 2 multiplied by x is 0, plus 3 multiplied by 4, y is 4, 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So here comes the answer 12. Again, this solution is also satisfying this equation. So we can say that linear equation in two variables doesn't have a unique solution, because it can have many solutions, infinite solutions. Now if I take the values 4, 0, here this means x is 4 and y is 0, and put these values in this equation, 2 multiplied by x means 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by y, 3 multiplied by 0, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 into 2, 0 is 0. I get 8. Now this value doesn't satisfy this equation because here it is 12 and we are getting 8 here. So this answer and this answer are not same. So there can be many solutions and there can be values which are not the solution of a particular equation. So in exercise 4.2, the questions are based on to find out the values to satisfy a given equation. Let's do example number 3 on page number 69. So our question is, find 4 different solutions of the equation x plus 2y is equals to y. So let's take this equation. We have to find the 4 different solutions. First of all, what we do, we think x is equals to 0. Let us take x is equals to 0. If I take x is equals to 0, then my equation will remain 2y is equals to 6. And from here, if I take out the value of y, I have to divide 2 here. 2y is equals to 6. So I'll get y is equals to 6 divided by 2, that's 3. Then y will be 3. So one solution is 0, 3. Now let us take x is equals to 2. If I take x is equals to 2, my equation will become 2 plus 2y is equals to 6. 2 will be subtracted from here. 2y is equals to 6 minus 2. So I'll get 2y is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. So here if x is 2, y is also 2. So my second solution is 2, 2. This is how you can find out more solutions. Now let us take x is equals to 4. Why I am taking even numbers? Because if I subtract even number from here, it will be divisible completely. So if I take x is equals to 4 plus 2y is equals to 6. So 2y is equals to 6 minus 4, that is 2, and y will be is equals to 1. So one more solution is 4, 1. Now let's take x is equals to 6. If I take x is equals to 6 plus 2 into y is equals to 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So 2y is equals to 0 means y is equal to 0. So one of my solution is 6, 0. This is how you can find out more solutions which satisfies this equation. Just we have to do hit and trial method here. Example 4 is as similar as example 3. Just you have to find the two solutions of the given equation, but you have to see this. The third part, it is not a linear equation in two variables. It is linear equation in one variable. So there will be only one solution, unique solution of this equation. Let's do exercise 4.2 now. Exercise 4.2 question 1 is, which one of the following options is true and why? Y is equals to 3x plus 5 has, the options are given. It's a linear equation in two variable, we can see clearly. So options are, it will have a unique solution. No, because unique solution is for linear equation in one variable only. Only two solutions, we can't say. Infinitely many solutions. Yes, linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Now question 2 is, write 4 solutions for each of the following equation. This is as similar as examples. First part is 2x plus y is equals to 7. Second part is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Third part is x is equals to 4y. Let's do second part because first part is very easy. Second part is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Now let us take x is equals to 0. If I take x is equals to 0, so here pi into 0 plus y is equals to 9. This whole value will become 0. So we will get y is equals to 9. So our first solution is 0, 9. Now let's take x is equals to 1. Pi into 1. We have to take the value of pi here. 22 by 7 into 1 plus y is equals to 9. 22 by 7 into 1 is 22 by 7. So it is added here. It will be subtracted. Y is equals to 9 minus 22 by 7. If I solve this, I'll get 63 minus 22 by 7. We have taken the LCM here. So my answer is 41 by 7. So the second solution is 1, 41 by 7. Now let x is equals to 7. If I take x is equals to 7, then 22 by 7 डिनोमिनेटर में होगा, 7 से 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Pi means 22 by 7 into 7. I have taken x as 7 plus y is equals to 9. 7, 7 cancel. 22 plus y is equals to 9. 22 will be subtracted from 9. Y is equals to 9 minus 22. So I get minus 13. So my third solution is 7, minus 13. Similarly, you can find out as many solutions as you can find. You can find many other solutions also like this. Let's do fourth part now. X is equals to 4y. Let us take x is equals to 0. If I take x is equals to 0, 0 is equals to 4y. 4 will come here to divide by 0, so y will also be 0. So one of my solution 1 is 0, 0. Now let us take x is equals to 1. If I take x is equals to 1, 1 is equals to 4y. Then value of y will be 1 by 4. So my second solution is 1, 1 by 4. Now let us take y is equals to 1. If I take y is equals to 1, it will become x is equals to 4 into 1. So x value will be 4. So solution third is x is 4, so 4, y is 1. 4, 1. Now let us take, let x is equals to 2. If I take x is equals to 2, 2 is equals to 4y. So it will 2 divided by 4 is equals to y. So value of y will be 1 by 2. So solution 4 is 2, 1 by 2. Now let's do question 3. Check which of the following are the solutions of equation 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. अब आपको इक्वेशन दी गई है और कुछ सॉल्यूशंस दिए गए हैं. आपको इस इक्वेशन में पुट करके चेक करना है कि ये सॉल्यूशंस में से इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन कौन सा है और कौन सा नहीं है. सबसे पहले हम फर्स्ट पार्ट चेक करते हैं. x माइनस 2y इज इक्वल्स टू 4. सो यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू दी है 0 और y की वैल्यू दी है 2. हम यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे 0 माइनस 2 इंटू y की वैल्यू भी 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. सो वी गेट 2 इंटू 2 4 प्लस माइनस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. ये दोनों तो इक्वल हो नहीं सकते हैं. दिस मीन्स ये वाला पार्ट इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. लेट्स चेक 2, 0. x is 2, so 2 minus 2 into y is 0 is equals to 4. So 2 into 0 is 0, 2 minus 0 is equals to 4. We get 2 which is not equal to 4. This means this solution is not solution of this equation. Let's check third part 4, 0. So here x is 4 minus 2 into y is 0 is equals to 4. So 2 into 0 is 0, 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. Yes, 4 is equals to 4 means this part is the solution of this equation. Let's do fourth part. फोर्थ पार्ट में x की वैल्यू है √2 एंड y की वैल्यू है 4√2. सो x √2 minus 2 into 4√2 is equals to 4. So we get √2 minus 4 to the 8. 8√2 is equals to 4. So here I get minus 7√2 which is not equal to 4. So this is not the solution of this equation. Let's check fifth part. 1, 1. X is 1 minus 2 into y is also 1 is equals to 4. 1 minus 2 is equals to 4. Minus 1 is not equals to 4. Means this is also not the solution of this given equation. Let's do question 4 now. Find the value of k if x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. अब हमें इस इक्वेशन में ऑलरेडी गिवन है कि इस इक्वेशन में x की वैल्यू है 2 एंड y की वैल्यू है 1 और हमें k फाइंड आउट करना है. तो जस्ट वैल्यूज़ पुट करनी है. 2 इंटू एक्स है हमारा 2 प्लस 3 इंटू वाई, वाई है हमारा 1 इज इक्वल्स टू के. सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस. 2 इंटू 2 इज़ 4 प्लस 3 इंटू 1 इज़ 3 इज इक्वल्स टू के. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 is equals to k. So we get the value of k is equals to 7. So this is exercise 4.2. In the next video we will discuss exercise 4.3. Thank you.